How to share PowerPoint presentation on email and mobile. Welcome to Glitz and let's get right into this video. For this, first and foremost, open up your email application. I'm using Gmail, so I'll just tap open. Now to share your PowerPoint presentation, all you have to do is simply tap on the compose button. Now you know the drill here. All you have to do is enter the recipient, then enter the subject, and you can also compose the email with a body if you want to. Tap on the paperclip icon and select on the option of attach file. Now you'll be needing a Word application on it or a document application. I use WPS, so you can use any of the either as well. From here, select on the presentation file that you want to share on your email. Then just tap on the paper icon. Now, if it's on your drive, you can easily tap on the paperclip icon again and select on Insert from Drive. Locate your presentation in it, then just select on the presentation. Once done, just tap on the Send icon. By that way, you'll be able to share or send PowerPoint presentation on email from mobile. Which wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.